Breath is the most important thing in life, which is why a dancer must have the correct technique to breathe in, to hold her breath, and then to exhale. For the correctness of her movement, the quality of her movement, and also for a Kathak dancer specifically, the padhant, or the way you recite your bowls or your compositions. Therefore, for a Kathak dancer, not only to dance energetically do you need your breath, but also to say the bowls or the padhants. A dancer comes on the microphone, says her composition, the tabla player then echoes it, and then she goes back to perform it with this high energy. What do you need? Oxygenated blood. There are two techniques that I would recommend. But before you go intensively into it, try and go to a master who can actually teach you the technique correctly. First one is yoga, in which you do a lot of abdominal breathing. So you breathe in, you start your movement, breathe in, hold your movement and sustain your breath, exhale as you come back to your position. So you use your breath to improve the quality of your movement. Here you're using abdominal breathing. The technique is breathe in, hold your breath, exhale as much as you can so that your lungs are absolutely empty to receive another bulk of oxygenated air. The second one, Pilates. Pilates is a technique where you actually do a lot of lateral breathing, short breaths. This will give you the energy to perhaps work on the aerobic exercises that you would be doing while you're performing. Make sure once again that you use the correct technique after having consulted someone who knows the job. It's not difficult to find a yoga instructor or a Pilates instructor around your area, or even go on the net, Google. First, find the right resource, absorb it, understand it, practice it from the very beginning, because breath control will obviously give you the correct movement, improve the quality, therefore the quantity of your work will also multiply.